Our timeshare with MGM, formerly Petchey Leisure, the main reason we wanted to get out was the extortionate rise in maintenance fees, together with the increasing pressure put on us by a salesman when we went on our visits, because we always got taken on a presentation and the pressure increased each time, made us feel uncomfortable.
And I think we also found at the same time that the quality of accommodation actually went down, so that the rooms and the apartments that we were actually going to visit were of a much lower quality. And so we were paying much more money for less. So it was time to leave.
Yes, we went on a presentation by a firm called Easy Group, who referred us on to you. I'm very happy with it. I'm 100% certain that Praetorian will back it up, and the main thing it's given me is peace of mind and confidence.
Thank you. Mrs. Medley?
Yes, I think that's the main thing, the integrity that we've found in Praetorian and the fact that it has given us peace of mind. And if we do get further correspondence, we know that we can actually forward it on to Praetorian and they will take care of it for us. We found it really excellent, and on a personal level we found that you were very approachable, that any problems we could ring and we got reassurance, and I think that's incredibly important when you're facing this kind of situation where people are feeling really uncertain and distraught about what's going to happen. You gave us the reassurance and we just felt really confident about the work that you're doing for us.
Thank you.
I think my main thing would be to say that I knew from our conversations with people at Praetorian that they had a real concern for us, and that gave us confidence, and I knew that they had our interests at heart.
Definitely would. Now that we've been made aware of Praetorian and Mercantile, we certainly recommend it to anybody that was found themselves in the same situation that we have. And we could do that with 100% certainty, knowing that you'd look after them in the same way that you have done us.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I agree with that. We had nowhere to turn, but we got all the information we needed. We've had personal service, and I feel 100% confident that not just for the termination now, but henceforth, we will get the full backing of Praetorian and Mercantile.